range-bound index move. There was also FI buying yesterday. Let's try and see as to whether that sustains post-markets today. But we have market open. We're 0.5% lower, as would be expected on a day like this. Weak global cues, 100 odd points lower on the index. 25,600 and thereabouts is what we are kind of attempting to hold. In terms of the breadth on the Nifty, well, it looks extremely weak, frankly. It's 40 declines, 10 advances. I know it's early minutes of trade. Maybe I'm looking at it too negatively. But nonetheless, that's what we're seeing. IT, again, under the pump. Infi down 2.5% in early minutes. HCL Tech down 2%. TCS down 1.5%. And Tech Mahindra also down over 1.5%. Wipro also one of the top losers, or one of the top 5 losers on the index. Eternal down 1.4% as well. It's a very, very weak breadth, and that's what's not supporting the index at all. ONGC is the top Nifty gainer, and it's up only 1/3%. That kind of just reflects, okay, 0.5% higher on ONGC, but that kind of reflects that there is just no breadth in this market, at least at this point. All of it skewed to the losers. In terms of the Nifty mid-cap and small-cap indices, they're relatively better. 1/3% lower on the Nifty small cap, which closed in the green yesterday, by the way, viewers. The Nifty mid cap, which closed in the red, is down another 1/3% thereabouts. So those are largely playing it together. The Nifty IT is down 2% again. So Nifty IT continues to be that big casualty, that pocket where there is immense amounts of pressure. 2% lower on the Nifty IT. The auto pack, the pharma pack is largely flat. The Nifty PSU Bank today is also lower. So that's really the tilt. But auto defense continues to be languishing. 6.7% lower on the Nifty India Defense Index. Realty, PSU banks, that's where some of the pressure is. The Nifty Bank and the Nifty Metals are holding up fairly okay. The private banking index especially is what is attempting to hold up in trade. Mind you, remember, Kunal mentioned earlier this morning that the Nifty to the Nifty Bank ratio, or the Nifty Bank to the Nifty 50 ratio, is very close to the highs. And generally what you will see as a result is you will see pressure on the Nifty Bank. At least for the moment, that's not visible, is some part of a positive cue that I would take it as. Let's also look at how the advanced decline overall is looking. And that also is looking fairly weak for itself. 2:1 in favor of the declines is what we're seeing, at least on the overall market breadth. The Nifty IT index, all stocks trading in the red, and all stocks trading at least 0.5% or more lower. So really tough in terms of the breadth. Infosys is now down 2.5%. HCL Tech persistent down 2.5%. Infosys down 2.4%. So really it's across the board. It's mid-cap, small cap also, which is fairly low. In terms of the broader markets, let me also pull out some stocks within that pack. Again, the breadth is extremely weak within the Nifty 500 basket. Just about 100 advances to nearly 400 declines. Some of the textile names, Vardhaman Textiles is down 4%. So that is seeing a bit of pressure, that pocket. We're also seeing LTTS, Schneider, persistent, again, the same names, M&M Finance, some of the big losers within that basket of the Nifty 500 stocks. Vardhaman Textiles is down now over 4% in trade. Blue Jet Health, zone of its own, 5% higher. Aegis Logistics is the other one, 5% higher. Mind you, this is back-to-back days of gains for both of these in a very, very difficult market. Very curious to know what the views on both of these could well be where Kunal is concerned, because those two are really standing out on a very tough day of trade and 2 days in a row. So this is follow-on buying that we're seeing on both of those names. Keep those on your radar. HEG, Gujarat Gas are some of the other names which are doing okay within the Nifty 500 pack. Kunal, what are you seeing? Early